Hey, I'm Eric Schwartz, and this is the Trail Bite Stack. Today is 2026, February 5th. So this is the new little circuit board, and I want to show you how quick and easy it is. So let's pick this guy up. Super small. You got a switch over here and a switch over here. You got the two diodes, so the electricity can only flow in one direction. This switch right here enables high beam and low beam, although with my vehicle I have the BeamTech LED light bulbs, so very little much is not noticed. And then this guy right here, this allows you to have the fog light and headlights on. You'll see some missing capacitors here. In testing, this design didn't work as well as I wanted, and the size of the capacitor underneath this engine bay, it all didn't really come together, and I don't think it's necessary. A second and a half of the fog light not being on after going from brights is no big deal. And then when you switch from regular headlights, so low beam and fog lights, when you switch to high beam, no big deal. So anyways, super easy with this guy. Hopefully I can do this one-handed real quick and easy. There we go. Cool. Now I just got this guy. This guy is non-directional. It'll work in any direction, but I like to have the letters and numbers matching the same direction. So pull back here. Here's my fuse box. Put it in. Snap it down, and then give it a little wiggle. Make sure it's all good, and that's it. No big deal. You want to turn off the low beam, high beam because you're driving on the road. Same with the fog light with the high beam. That's it. Just switch them, and then you just switch them back. That's all you need to do. Anyways, get them on Schwarttzy.com. Should be inexpensive. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up at Schwarttzy.com/contact-me. Thanks for watching. Bye.